Albert Einstein once famously said, "Don't believe everything you read on the internet, just because there is a picture with a quote next to it." That quote is completely fake. Einstein died decades before the internet even existed. Yet if you ask a modern AI chatbot to write an essay about it, it will confidently invent an entire story, citing non-existent papers with total, unwavering confidence. This bizarre phenomenon is called AI hallucination. And the secret cause? A hidden dial that separates a logical machine from a wild, hallucinating poet. That dial is called temperature. In this video, we are going inside the brain of a large language model to understand exactly how temperature shapes the words it generates. We will unpack how raw mathematical scores called logits are converted into clean probabilities by the Softmax function, and how temperature reshapes that entire curve. And finally, we will explore top K and top P sampling, the elite filtering pipelines used by top tech companies to build robust, production-grade AI systems that do not hallucinate. Let us start at the very beginning. When you give an LLM a prompt like the capital of France is ... it does not understand Paris like a human would. Instead, it looks at its entire vocabulary of tens of thousands of words. For every single word in that vocabulary, the model calculates a raw numerical score. These scores are called logits. Think of a logit as a vote of confidence for each candidate word. Paris gets a huge logit of positive 15. London gets a 5. Apple gets a negative 10. And banana gets a negative 20. But raw logits are messy. They are unbounded and do not sum to anything clean. So the model passes them through a mathematical function called Softmax to fix this. Softmax does something beautiful. It takes those raw numbers, scales them exponentially, and converts them into a neat probability distribution. After Softmax, Paris has a 98% probability of being the next word. London has about 1%. Apple and banana have tiny, negligible fractions of a percent. Every single score is now between 0 and 1, and all scores added together sum to exactly 1. We have a perfect probability distribution to sample from. So once we have these probabilities, how do we actually select the next word? The most obvious method is called greedy sampling. Always pick the word with the absolute highest probability. Run the prompt 1,000 times and greedy sampling gives you Paris every single time. This is perfect for code generation, technical Q&A, and any factual closed-ended task. But use greedy sampling for a conversational chatbot and the conversation quickly becomes robotic, repetitive, and painfully boring. The exact same words in the exact same sequences, draining all the life out of every interaction. To fix this robotic boredom, we introduce the temperature dial. Think of temperature as a mathematical volume knob that reshapes the entire probability curve before Softmax is even applied. Mathematically, it is beautifully simple. We take every raw logit and divide it by the temperature value before passing it to Softmax. Scaled logit equals raw logit divided by temperature. At the default temperature of 1.0, the logits are completely unchanged. The output is exactly what the model calculated. Nothing is shifted. But when we change this single value, the magic happens. The entire shape of the probability distribution transforms dramatically. Set temperature to a tiny value like 0.1. Dividing by a fraction makes numbers larger. This aggressively exaggerates the gaps between logits before Softmax is applied. The result, Paris shoots up to 99.99%. All other words get crushed into absolute insignificance. The probability curve becomes a steep, towering spike. Low temperature is mandatory for code generation, legal contract parsing, and data analysis. Anything where you need strict, deterministic, and predictable outputs. Zero room for improvisation. Now flip the dial to 1.5. Dividing by a larger number compresses the gap between logits, flattening the entire probability distribution. The mountain becomes a plateau. Paris drops significantly. Apple and banana suddenly get a massive confidence boost. The model is free to explore unusual, creative, unexpected pathways. This is perfect for creative writing, brainstorming, and generating taglines. But go too far past 1.5 and you enter the danger zone. The distribution becomes almost completely flat and uniform. Every word has a nearly equal chance and the output degrades into pure gibberish. Even at moderate temperatures, there is still a lingering chance of sampling an unsafe or irrelevant word. To prevent this, we need mathematical bouncers at the door. Meet top K and top P sampling. Top K is a brute force approach. It places a hard limit on the selection pool by only keeping a fixed number K of the most probable tokens, discarding everything else. Then it renormalizes those K tokens so their probabilities sum back to 1. But top K has a major flaw: it is completely blind to context. If the model is 99% confident about the top word, top K still forces it to keep 4 other irrelevant words in the pool. Top P, also called Nucleus sampling, is far more adaptive. Instead of a fixed count, it collects words in descending probability order until the running total hits a cumulative threshold P. If the model is 95% confident about Paris, and P equals 0.9, top P stops immediately after just 1 token. The pool size becomes 1, eliminating any chance of a weird word slipping through. But when the model is uncertain in a creative sentence, top P dynamically expands the pool to 20 or 30 tokens until the cumulative sum hits 90%. This dynamic behavior lets the text flow naturally and organically, adapting to context in real time. In real production systems, engineers do not pick just one of these parameters. They chain all 3 into a sequential multi-stage filtering funnel: temperature first, then top K, then top P. Starting from 100,000 raw vocabulary tokens, temperature scales the logits. Top K immediately cuts to the top 50. Then top P narrows it further, leaving just 4 or 5 high-quality, context-aware tokens to sample from. This multi-stage pipeline is what keeps modern chatbots sounding natural, creative, and coherent, while keeping them firmly inside the bounds of sanity. The ultimate takeaway: temperature, top K, and top P do not make a model more intelligent. They do not change its core knowledge. They act as the steering wheel and brakes, controlling exactly how much risk the model is allowed to take. In the next video, we are exploring context windows and retrieval augmented generation, how AI keeps track of what you said 10 turns ago. Hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.